haven't made a video for a while. It's kind of crazy over here. I hope you had a great Easter. I had a fantastic Easter.
And I had a fantastic, my favorite sister, Maeve.
Oh, thank you. I have a fantastic little sister too. Mwah. Okay, so today we're gonna be drawing lemonade.
Yeah.
And some like little lemons.
Yeah, I love lemonade.
Let's get started. So, first, take your Sharpie and open it. That's the easy part. And then, you start drawing. So, we're going to be adding some like little lemons right here. Don't bother making a circle, just draw your cup to the side. And not too big. So let's start. I'm going to be drawing some like a straw out of it.
I'm going to draw a line, a big line.
Okay. So I'm going to draw like a little dot here, and then across, around here, another dot. And then I go down, I'll make it around, and then here. So I'm going to go down, curve it. Oh, and try to make the corners a little bit curved. And then go up. My lines aren't super straight. The only way you can do it super straight is practice. Nice. Is practice or a ruler. Yeah. So you can make this three-dimensional by putting like a little oval at the bottom to like make it look like it's like up here and stuff. Because the back of the cup. So at the top, we're gonna like make a little like groove in it for the top of the cup, and then like an oval here. You can draw an oval if you're really good at ovals. And then I'm gonna draw the lemonade. I'm gonna draw mine wavy.
I got it over there.
Nice. Very nice.
Your oval is the prettiest.
You can make the big, you can make it straight, doesn't really matter. So,
let's start with the straw and then
go up for the straw. I'm making a straw. You don't have to make a straw, but you can.
If
and
you
I wanna.
If you
and
want,
then you make
make
like a little
candy cane.
And then you curve it. And then you start back in here. And then, so there's a straw shape. And then, my friend Emma Reed helped me to design this type of straw. So, you make a groove in it like the cup. And then, you make it like this. So it looks like it's like going in the straw and stuff. It's really cool. Thanks, Emma. And then some like little lines like the candy cane.
I'm drawing an umbrella and a candy cane.
Nice umbrella. And then I'm going to draw a little umbrella.
You can draw umbrellas or anything.
And then I'm going to make like a little U and then connect it. You can turn it upside down, or it looks like a little shovel. You can make it upside down and then turn it back right side up. Then I'm going to add some lines. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo. So it's a rainbow umbrella.
I'm drawing my little lemons now.
Oh, don't get ahead of yourself.
I want to.
Mm.
You can.
And then-
if you want.
We're done the drink.
Yep.
Now we're going to be drawing some lemons, like on my shirt. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. And some leaves. So I'm going to draw an open one first. So just draw a plain old circle. Doesn't have to be too big. Just draw a circle. Trust me, this will look nice. And then draw an itsy weetsy teensy weensy circle in it. Like that. Once you're done that, make some lines in it. It can be any amount of lines. Just make it coming out of the little circle.
Okay, I'm not quite done. I'm gonna do the
Like that.
this.
And if I'm going too fast, just pause the video and then you can catch up. And then, like for the coloring, I have magical fingers, so when I wave it over, it'll be all drawn. So you can like pause the video there and like copy it, or you can just let your imagination run free.
This is the big sister, this is the big brother, and this is the baby, and this is mommy.
Nice.
And this is the daddy. Oh,
Nice.
This is the big brother, and I'm drawing the daddy already.
Nice. You can make a pickle lemonade. You can make pickle lemonade. Anything you want. Although pickle lemonade wouldn't really taste good.
Yeah, kind of.
Yeah. You can make orange lemonade, pink lemonade, yellow lemonade.
Maeve, big sister, big brother, baby, mommy, daddy, little sister.
Nice. So you can make it rainbow lemonade if you really want to. You can make it any way you want. You don't have to put a straw. You can make it pop, beer, wine, kid wine. You can draw a lollipop on the side. You can literally draw anything you want in it. It doesn't have to be what I draw. You can like change it up a little. So I hope you're enjoying this video so far. Nice. And then we're going to finish this lemon because I talk too much.
I'm gonna
And then
draw
you're
the
just
face.
going to straw around here and then like make it. Like so like you start in here and then you like bring it over and then
It's gonna be a happy face.
bring it in somehow like this. So it looks like someone cut lemon. Then add some like little dots here and there. There, like that. And then we're going to draw a closed lemon. So make a line like this. If you're drawing it with pencil, you can make a circle and then erase the bottom. But if you're not and you're using Sharpie or marker, I would just make it a C. And then make a backwards C. And then make a top bump. Oops. And make a bottom bump. Like that. Then one side, add some like little dots. Because I'm pretty sure lemons have little dots. Okay. And then we're going to draw another one of these, only backwards. So we're going to draw a circle, a little circle, a line, a line, a line, a line, a line, a line. Whoa, what? That's so cute! Ah! Oh, add another little tooth here. Add another little tooth. And
Yeah.
then a tongue.
This is the tongue.
No, that's the tooth. And then a tongue and then just like color it all in.
Yeah.
There, now you can do the rest. That's really great. And then you're just gonna like do the same thing, only backwards for like the other lemon. And then add some dots. It's a little harder, but it's pretty
I would
fun.
color the nose in if I were you.
And then we're gonna just like add another like little whole lemon.
Maybe. If I were you, I would color the nose in, and right now I want to color the nose in.
Nice. Very cute.
Oh.
And then like I'm gonna draw one more whole lemon over here. There we go. Your little lemonade. You can add like a little lemon on the side here if you want to. You don't have to if you don't want to, but you can. You don't have to draw as many lemons. You can just draw like one of these and two of these, or like two of these and one of these. Nice. But I decided to draw 5. So I'm gonna wiggle my hands over it and it's gonna be colored. 1, 2. Cut. 3. Ta-da! Magical fingers. So you can pause the video now, and you can pause the video now and copy it. And if you're wondering what this is, it's called a lemon lime. These are the same lemon lines and lemon lime. Half lemon, half lime.
Is that purple lemon lime?
No, it's not a lemon lime.
Okay.
So this, I just colored it a purple
No.
lemon, just for no particular reason.
And look at mine.
Yeah, and then Lydia colored hers like this, as a unicorn thingy lemonade.
Well, I'm gonna draw the unicorn.
I hope you've enjoyed making your lemon. I'll see you soon. Lemonade. Bye. Lemonade, sorry. See you soon. Bye.
Lemonade!
Hi everyone. I just wanted to say a couple little thank yous and an extra goodbye. First thank you is to Gabriel for helping watch Aaron to get him away from the camera. Yay! And next thank you is to my cute little sister Lydia for helping me with the video. Hi Lydia. Thanks. And I'd like you to subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Bye!
Bye!
And I hope you liked this video. If you want more, go to my channel on YouTube at Maeve the Brave Productions. Thanks! Subscribe to my channel on YouTube, Maeve the Brave Productions, and like my videos.